Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Abhigan Sharma, it's my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to talk about how you can sell your shares, your stock or ETF is the same thing. Some people use ETF or some use stock or some usually we say how to sell your shares, right? So in this video I will explain everything. If you literally want to sell your share, first of all you have to go to your demat account and select the ETF gold. Then you can order for sale. But before order we have to do many things like your pin. So first of all you have to generate your pin by demat account. You need your demat account number, and other thing is you need your pan card. These two things you need for your pin or tin. Some use pin number or something. Whenever you try to sell, then you definitely need your this pin. So we have two type of selling process. First is DDPI and TOTP. What is the difference between TOTP and DDPI? So once you, if first suppose you are selling your ETF, and first of all you will go to your demat account, then ETF gold you selected already, and go by DDP. Because if you like to sell and purchase every day, you heard me right, every day, if you are doing sale purchase every day, then DDPI is the best for you. But I this thing you no need to generate pin, or you have to put pin again and again. It's automatically you will generate everything by DDPI. You have to pay something like in India we pay 150 rupees per our order per order. But in other way, if we talk about in dollar, then minimum $2 we have to pay for DDPI. If you are a long term buy and sell one, then TOTP is best one for you. You no need to pay anything, but you need pin. You have to generate your pin by demat account again and again. So yeah, because again and again, if once a year you are buying and sell after a year, then yeah, it's no issue about that. So many people continuously talk about why DDPI is the best. DDPI is best because the people who buy and sell every day, who are doing like buy today and sell tomorrow, then DDPI is the best, and $2 is nothing. If you are you getting $90, then you will get $88. Then no issue. Only $2 will be deducted from you. But other thing is, once we done everything, now the next situation is your order will be on the page. Like you want to sell your stock on $90. It's just an example. You want to sell $90, but that man, the seller, I mean that purchaser, will come to you and will talk about you like something bargaining. I need in $85. If you are ready, then I will transfer to you. So if we are okay with that price, then we can sell. Otherwise we can cancel our order, we can reorder again, or we can reduce our prices. Up to us. So it's very easy. And yeah, you need to know everything. Like if the selling for example $90, and you give someone $88, this is okay. If you will reduce too much, then what the benefit for you? Is still beneficial for us, but still if $90 is a very benefit. And if you need urgently want to sell your stock urgently, then you can sell in 88, 85 with doesn't matter who, which purchaser will come to you. And after that you will get 80% the same time and 20% after 48 hours, like tomorrow night time, like that, or evening time. But if you want fast, then is it's not possible. You will get 80% only, but you will get everything. A minimum time like 72 hours, you will get your full amount. 72 hours like 3 days, but in 48 hours you will get everything, but still we have to wait 72 hours. So it's is not a long time, guys. और अगर मैं हिंदी में भी बात करूं, अगर आप ये परचेज वगैरह करना चाहते हो तो आप देखो पहले स्टॉक का रेट चल क्या रहा है. यू हैव टू चेक द प्राइस फर्स्ट. इफ यू आर अ वेल नोन पर्सन तो आपको सब कुछ पता चल जाएगा. और दूसरे बाद जो ईटीएफ का गोल्ड है ना, ईटीएफ जो अब आप सेल करना चाहते हो, वो हमेशा देखो कि जो आदमी आपसे खरीदना चाहता है अगर रेट जेन्युइन है, नहीं तो उसको भी आप बार्गेन करो कि आप भी रेट थोड़ा बढ़ाइए कि मेरा तो लास्ट प्राइस ये है. You also have to bargain that I want to increase my price as well. So it's your mutual understanding. आप दोनों को देखना है कि दोनों अगर इस प्राइस पे ओके हो गए तो आप सेल कीजिए, अगर नहीं तो ओके है. और अगर मेरी माने, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट, इफ यू लाइक क्या कहते हैं उसको, मेरे से राय मांगोगे, then I will tell you कि DDPI is the best because nowadays people don't have patience. If you have a big amount like more than 100 million stocks in your account, in your demat account, then yeah, long term is okay. But if you want, you have a less money and you want to do every day, और हमेशा मतलब आपके पास 5,000 है मान लो, आप हर रोज करना चाहते हो कि हाँ जी रेट बढ़ गया चलो जी सेल कर दो, ऐसे ऐसे करना चाहते हो. बहुत सारे लोग आजकल यही कर रहे हैं हर जगह में. तो इससे डीडीपीआई है बेस्ट. नहीं तो लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए टीओटीपी ही है रहेगा और हमेशा से बेस्ट रहा है. डीडीपीआई करने का क्या फायदा यार, हम अपना टैक्स क्यों दे. जितनी बड़ी अमाउंट होगी तो टैक्स भी तो ज्यादा हो जाएगा. मिनिमम अमाउंट $2 for $90, like $2 will be deduct minimum if we have $90. If you have more than 100 million amount, of course like $200 like that will be deducted. तो ये आपको देखना है ना कि $200 भी कट हो रहे हैं भाई साहब. जितनी बड़ी अमाउंट उतना ज्यादा पैसा भी टैक्स उस हिसाब से ही होता है, आप तो देखना चाहिए. बाकी आपके पास 100 मिलियन है तो $200 आपके कुछ भी नहीं लगेंगे, ये भी है बात. बाकी आप देख लो कि कैसे करना है कैसे नहीं. मेरे मानो तो ये सब कुछ बेस्ट है. थैंक यू वेरी मच गाइस, होप यू understand what I want to tell you. So see you next video. I always make this type of video nowadays, so don't forget to subscribe and like, and other thing is we will see